Inside, this already wedges will go inside, it will come to here.
Here we can test.
This much like
Clear
it
coverance?
will go like height of so the design is cooling system, so it won't get the heat from the system. It will remove the heat from the piston and this is the system. So that's why it's like this.
So even here this hydraulic will work.
Options we could do. The controllers have the like kind of a chance like here only one system, so we can control the one. There is 2 actuators, 3 actuators we can connect based on the controller boards available, additional officials. So this is the main controller. So cables are there, no? So I told from same that LVDT, load cell, servo valve, ground cable. Then power pack we are starting from here to there, and then HSM same like everything is connected here. So this is power pack, this is HSM, this is power pack, this is one is LVDT, one is load cell, one is servo valve, one is air cable. Everything is connected to this board. So this and PC communicate with the LAN connection, Ethernet interface. Okay. So this controller has a boards, different boards, input boards, output boards. So here output is servo valve, only one output. So output means here from output it will give the signal to the servo valve.
Okay.
Remaining are input. That means LVDT and load cells are input to the system. Input means we are getting from the sensor and giving to the input. So this is difference output card, input card like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the why left this
So-
cable? This one I need to attach here.
This is digital to analog output.
Digital
You
to
can connect
analog.
your system.
System,
You can take
okay.
2 output from here.
Okay, what are those 2 outputs? It will be
Analog output.
sir,
You can get 2 analog output from here.
of what? Like
Analog output to anything, what you are using, anything you can get.
Sir, if
Displacement
I
load
want
cell,
To
anything.
connect it to our bus.
Data efficient system.
Yeah.
that's okay, but these 2 cables internally they would have connected to some particular points, right?
No. It should be any of the sensors.
Any of the sensors.
Any sensor, no, only 2 sensors is there. Only you can get 2.
Okay. So
Displacement
load
cell.
and displacement you will get from this. Okay, that's good.
Sir, one
You can
question.
get 2 displacement also you can possible.
Yeah. So, like now, if I do some DAC or some external acoustic emission sensors, if I want to start at a time both,
That's it. This is
So,
analog output. Digital input also is there, output also is there. You can also do it in digital also.
okay. Now, if I want to like start at a time both at a time, so can
That's
it
why
is
it
possible?
will be digital. What kind of your system is capable to take the signal? That should be compatible to this signal, then it should be possible.
Okay. So,
So that means if you have a digital DAC or something, for triggering you are getting digital input is there for that one, it is possible.
okay.
But it should have the capability.
Okay, so yeah, actually for that MTS now, so we are going to use both AE and acoustic emission sensors
Okay.
and DIC sensors. That we need to like connect it. So
Connect it means?
I mean we should control from MTS systems itself.
No.
Like what I mean to say is, so I want to start.
Triggering from this to that or that to this.
So like this to that
Let's say
I.
that has to be capable for getting this signal digital in or digital out or analog out or whatever may be.
Okay, so
From
that.
this controller to that system has to trigger.
Okay,
correct, to
so-
start. See, if you start here, you can also get a trigger for that also. Physically, you have to collect. It has to be digital in. The digital out will give the digital in to start it.
Okay.
It can be possible, but it should have the capability of getting the digital signals
Okay.
or analog signals, whatever may be.
Yeah. So once after finishing of this, can you help us with that?
That's why you have to be sure that what you have to do.
Yeah. Whatever I have, I'll show it to you. So if any connections are required and
First you
things.
have to buy the cables. then you
Yeah,
have to
those
see
things
the-
we will do it, but it is needed because every time what we are doing is there is a little delay when we start initially. There is
No,
a little
here
delay.
there will be delay is there. If you start from here also, there will be delay will be there because the starting of this only give the signal to start. So this time lag will be there, always will be there.
Yeah, but compared to it will be minimum, right?
Yeah, that will be there, but there is a no kind of because each interface is this is inside is different, the external is anyway there will be a different coding that analog to digital and the A to D conversion the rate 1624 bit rate will be different.
Okay.
So that should be very.
Okay. Okay.
We will be creating that I'll show.
Okay.
But here it will be configured like in the way how the sensors are configured with the particular ports.
Okay.
So what we are done it. So I will tell the controller this is you can see some 1, 2, 3 boards are there, no? So we call this is a processor board. This is a in IO Carrier 1 board, IO Carrier 2 boards, station boards. The processor is for communicating, interface, everything. So like our phone processor. This is input and output card.
Okay.
This is also input and output card. These two cards having your signals like LVDT, load cell, other servo wall, in or out, whatever may be. So this is two boards are capable.
Okay.
This is a station board. Station board means like here digital input output.
Which
power
one?
pack,
Which one?
Last,
These two?
Last, yes.
These
total, yeah. So here only you are switching on the power pack, HSM, everything
Yeah,
is
station.
So that's a station board. Station is a power pack, everything it will be operate from here. Remote interface board.
Okay. I mean, what? How can we use that? I didn't get it actually.
Which one?
So
Nothing to use like that. You are like you already connected. So it will give the power automatically from software. It will start the power pack, HSM and all.
Okay.
So interlocks like how you press here, it will stop over there like that also. Okay, if you want a digital means this is a digital in is output is available. You can connect a digital in, digital out using the connectors.
Okay. Sir, like, see now everyone like we are going to add attach this data acquisition system, HBM data acquisition system. External LVDTs we used to keep
Correct.
it.
You can record it.
So with that we will record it.
So that's if that you want this load and displacement, you can take it from this.
Yeah. So but
You can feed
this
it to it.
sir, but this cable is quite like
BNC.
this is
This is BNC.
this is different, right? Wow, how can we like?
BNC is a common. We will use for always BNC.
Okay. Huh?
Input, output, analog input, output, everything will be there.
Yes.
So this is interface with the Ethernet IP address. Processor will communicate. Then the software we call the MTS 793 software. We can start and operate everything from there. That will command everything given from the software to the controller. Then controller will give a signal to the systems. So one by one, it will be like kind of. Then the signal will coming to the again to the controller through load cell, the closed loop. So it has a normally this LVDT is a AC signal. AC signal, load cell or any other sensor like spectrometer or something, strain gauge or something, DC signal.
Okay.
So it has inside as a AC DC configurations.
Oh,
So that's why we configured.
Okay.
So LVDT has to be AC configuration, load cell and other spectrometer will be DC configurations. So it is based on that board, it's plugged.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then only it will work.
Okay.
This is one slot what you're too much. Ethernet ports are there, no?
Mm-hmm.
You can see each port has a two Ethernet slots.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one board has 8 ports will be there. So this board will decide input or output or analog, digital or whatever maybe.
Okay. Okay.
It's based on the configuration what they installed inside.
Okay.
We can change or we can do it. We can that is not that for you.
Okay.
I'm telling in.
Okay.
It will be designed and it will be installed like that. Okay. So we can start from the P.
Password is admin, huh?
Yes.